Their standard starting lineup: Abdul-Jabbar, A.C. Green, Irvin Johnson, Byron Scott, and James Worthy. For the Boston Celtics, Ainge and Bird, McHale, Parrish, and Dennis Johnson is starting tonight despite the left ankle sprain. The Lakers take the ball first, and this game's underway. Both teams still leading their division, Boston in the Atlantic, Lakers in the Pacific, but both are struggling. Feed into Magic Johnson, the Lakers take the early lead.
Both of them have been flat defensively, but I would expect in this game they'll be up.
Bird gets the loose ball and lays it in with the left hand. It's tied at 2. And Rick will start picking up the matchups right away. There you see McHale blocking James Worthy, wearing 00 tonight instead of 32, by the way. His jersey was lost at the dry cleaners. 11 a game. Bird steals the pass intended for Abdul-Jabbar. 10 minutes to go, first quarter. Worthy with his 00. Take a while to get used to that.
Of course, Bob, you talked about it.
That's what happens. 4-3 Lakers. 6-3.
Breakdown in the Celtic defense that time, allowing Scott to go all the way in.
McHale, jump hook. Ainge against Johnson. Wide open. Nobody is near Worthy. Beautiful play. And it'll be a three-point opportunity. Always the man for the Lakers, 2 for Boston. Abdul-Jabbar, sky hook from 6 feet. Bird gets the basket and the foul.
Really faked him out by not faking.
Pass intended for Abdul-Jabbar. They double team Johnson. They reverse it to the open man. It's Worthy. Dennis Johnson over the McHale screen. Bird, 11 points.
And Larry is not hesitating one moment. When he gets the ball, if he's open, he's letting it fly tonight.
Byron Scott answers. Boston now 7 out of 11 from the floor. LA 7 out of 10. Makes them 8 out of 11. Been in a slump lately. Shot clock to 4 to 3. Magic Johnson. Oh my. 4-3. Give him the triple. Here's Bird over Cooper. Oh, he's red hot tonight. Johnson with a left hand. Flying. Johnson running. Cooper's open. He hits the perimeter shot.
Better.
Lakers have taken the lead. Ainge ties it. Bird, oh my! Roberts University. Ainge from 18. Bird with a rebound. In the paint, left hand Bird. 17 points now. The lead ending the quarter. For 3 points. Scott. Worthy, past McHale. Partial block. Bad pass. Cooper has it. For 3 points, Michael Cooper hits. Big bucket for the Celtics from Jerry Seasting. Bird broke up the pass. Seasting collected it. They get it to Johnson.
Credit the Celtics with alert defense.
Byron Scott, beautiful layup. Into Parrish in the paint. McHale, both from Minnesota, you may recall. Abdul-Jabbar with the left hand. Bird on the double team. Hits Seasting with 2 seconds on the shot clock. Screen running. 3 on 3. What a pass. Cooper. That was Magic Johnson. Dennis Johnson. Flat jump shot, but it falls. It's running. Beautiful pass to McHale. Blocked by Cooper. Coming out of nowhere. McHale tried to drive, then lost it. Cooper. McHale with the jump hook. Parrish gets the loose ball. Set with 6 on the shot clock. Abdul-Jabbar. That was tough. He had to Cooper. Down to McHale. 3 on the shot clock. McHale. Cooper answers. Roberts kept looking for Bird. Couldn't get him. Found Parrish. Magic Johnson just 4 assist for Johnson. Bird answers. That fast. Lakers by 2. Bird. Seasting.
He gets in further foul trouble.
Worthy has his shot rejected. Bird's open on the break. Goes to the left hand after making
3 times.
Boston by 6. Stolen by Ainge. Boston by 8.
That's just the way the Lakers have been playing during this bad stretch.
Dennis Johnson. Worthy playing Bird for 3 points. Larry Bird. I've seen moments like this where Johnson just took over for L.A.
And if you remember last year,
Johnson has to fire it. Ainge stole the rebound. Dennis Johnson on the baseline. Now they've got McHale on Abdul-Jabbar. Spins nicely and jams. Had too much time. Bird for the board. Parrish all the way down. Bird didn't see him for a moment. Cooper almost got it. It looked like a touchdown pass. AC Green left open after they reverse it. He buries the perimeter shot. Shocking out to 3-point range. Look at that nice passing by Los Angeles. Byron Scott with the perimeter shot. Abdul-Jabbar over Parrish. A beautiful skyhook. Dennis Johnson. Open for the jumper from 19. Nice move. Couldn't get it to fall. McHale just rattled at it till he got it.
And again, the offensive rebounding hurting the Lakers.
It's the shot.
He shot it with his left hand.
The jam by Scott, the foul by Dennis Johnson. 10 on the shot clock. Into Bird, a beautiful pass from Dennis Johnson. Johnson to Thompson, tipped away by Bird. Roberts with a jam at the buzzer. Sting is in the ball game for Danny Ainge, who has 4 fouls and is on the bench. Cooper from the perimeter left a
Deal of contact on that last play, Bob.
Parrish has 9 rebounds now. Johnson open for the perimeter shot. Bird against AC Green. Parrish, nice spin move. Lost control of the ball, gets the basket and the foul. The skyhook, beautiful play. Bird coming off 2 screens. Takes the pass, gets the 15. Rebound Magic Johnson. He's got 8 rebounds now. He's nearing triple-double territory. McHale sets the screen for Dennis Johnson. Cooper past Bird. Hits the open man. It's Scott. It's open. Pass from Parrish. McHale doing what he does so well. Yeah. Losing lately when they've been behind on the road trip to the East. Abdul-Jabbar, the skyhook has been falling. What a pass from Magic Johnson back to Abdul-Jabbar from 18. Oh my. He has 20. Seasting couldn't get the shot off over Magic Johnson. Now he gets a 3-point attempt up and he hits it. Scott over Seasting. Magic Johnson with the rebound. New shot clock. They reverse it to Scott. He doesn't miss that one. Ainge with 5 fouls. Here comes Kareem. They've been going to him, and that's why. Seasting, who's been hot from the perimeter, continues shooting. Cooper was pushed by Bird. Nobody saw it. Then Bird stole the pass and gets the big bucket. Now Bird on Cooper. Thompson to Magic, back to Thompson from 15. Michael Thompson is 2 rebounds away from a triple. Michael Thompson. Cooper feeds Jabbar. Missed the layup, but there's a foul.
Jabbar to force him to miss the shot, and in free throw he missed it.
The gets this one. Nice pass from Ainge to Parrish.
Did not talk and switch.
Boston by 3. It can be tied. Is tied. Michael Cooper. Good three-point shooters have been good so far this year. They tried to get it to Bird. Stolen by Los Angeles.
Magic Johnson was the steal. He knocked it away.
Timeout Los Angeles. Game 17 on the shot clock for the Lakers. Johnson is on Johnson. They're going to look for Kareem. Shot clock to 8. Parrish tipped it away from Kareem. Great play by Parrish. Shot clock to 4. Kareem from the corner. It's loose, controlled by Bird. 7 seconds. Ainge is fouled. Gets 2 free throws.
Hits fast trip down.
Missed the back end of it. Timeout had been called. Cooper will inbound the ball. Johnson over Parrish. He hits it. The Lakers win.
Pat Riley is so happy.
The Lakers win it at the buzzer on the shot by Magic Johnson. 115 to 114.